Absolutely. Hackers make a Russian charging station display "Putin is a dickhead" message. The hackers have been the one. They've been very motivated. I mean, no one knows who Anonymous is.
Yeah.
Sorry, Anonymous.
Yeah.
Well, like there's talks that Anonymous is quite different than it was, and it's when it first bust on the scene, like there's no way it's the same people, but anyone can use the name Anonymous. Kind of how it goes, but they've been fired up with this Ukraine-Russia thing, and they want in on the action, and they want to like impact the situation. I had read about trying to hack the TV channels to put Ukrainian news in place of the Russian state news. There's an attempt on that, and then little things like this. On an electric charging station, which has some sort of operating system in it. Here we can see the video clip, and they were able to change what was displayed on the message there. I don't know how big this network is of charging stations. Glory to Ukraine, glory to the heroes. Putin is a dickhead, death to the enemy, according to Vice. That's your translation right there. No plugs available. It's a minor thing, but in the land of information warfare, it's like a type of digital graffiti.
Yeah, yeah. It reminds me of Watch Dogs. Remember that game?
Ubisoft.
Yeah.
Or as Will likes to call it, Ubisoft.
Ubisoft. Yeah. This type of stuff reminds me of that game, or like Mr. Robot. Like, it really makes you realize how like interconnected the whole thing is. Like with what you were saying, the services, the being denied in Russia, and just like, yeah, it's cool. Digital graffiti is a weird way to look at it.
And it's such a simple idea too.
Yeah.
Hacking a gas station.
Yeah.
A terminal.
Anything,
is this a gas station? No. Is it a gas
charging
station?
Electric charge station, yeah. Electric vehicles.
Yeah.
I guess Putin doesn't like that. He's probably trying to work on that pretty quick, I would guess.
He's the one filming.
He's
like, oh, God.
He puts it on the internet. He's like, what do I do?
Yeah.
Maybe he likes it. His name's up on the gas the charging station.
No, because he's got the grip on all the media, right? He obviously
yes.
2 channels went down recently that had been broadcasting for over 20 years because they didn't like exactly how things were being stated. So it's definitely a thing about control.